Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by securing permission and credentials from the other user. You must have explicit consent. Next, enable Remote Desktop or plan to use Quick Assist. Open Settings, go to System, then Remote Desktop and toggle it on. Once done, verify the network situation. Both machines on the same router, or set a public IP and forward port 3389. Make sure firewalls allow connections, and note the target PC name or IP. These steps let you actually start a remote session. Now you connect. Open Remote Desktop Connection, paste the PC name or IP, and choose Saved or New Credentials. Select Display and Local Resource options so printers or drives follow. Alternatively, launch Quick Assist on both machines, send the code, have the other user accept, and grant full control when prompted. Once connected, map network drives or enable file sharing for specific folders. Set NTFS permissions so you only access intended files. This ensures you can work while respecting their data boundaries. Finish by saving work on the other PC, then sign out or disconnect. Do not leave an open session. Remove any saved credentials from Credential Manager and ask the user to revoke Quick Assist permissions if used. If something goes wrong, first check firewall rules, confirm the IP or PC name, and restart Remote Desktop Services or the machine. One reliable troubleshooting step is to install pending Windows updates and update network drivers. Reboot both systems, and then retry the connection to resolve most persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.